thinking about starting your own football channel but have no clue where to begin, then this video is for you. I know it can be overwhelming. Like, what type of videos should you make? What software should you use? How do you even get clips? And don't even get me started on copyright. Trust me, I've been there. But today, I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so you can kick things off right. You don't need any fancy gear, and you don't even need to be a pro editor. So grab a seat and let's dive in. 1. Pick your niche. All right, first things first. You gotta figure out your niche. If you don't know what niche is, it's basically the category or style of videos you want to focus on. There are two main directions you can go with: long-form videos and short-form videos. Let me break it down. Short-form is all about those quick, punchy clips. Think of the stuff you see on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. These are 30 to 60-second edits, and they're fast-paced. You're probably throwing in a lot of effects, transitions, and music to keep people hooked. Apps like Alight Motion or After Effects work great for this type of editing, especially if you're doing it on your phone. It's all about grabbing attention fast. Long form is where you get into the 5-minute to 20-minute range. Here, you're making content like top 10 Ronaldo goals or Messi versus Real Madrid. You don't need crazy effects for this. It's more about the storytelling, the emotions, and keeping people engaged for longer periods. But one thing to keep in mind with long-form videos, copyright, is a big deal. It's way harder to avoid copyright strikes, so we'll get into that in a bit. Keep this section going with more examples of what kinds of football videos fit these niches, like player highlights, match reviews, or crazy moments that make people want to click. Talk about how important it is to pick a niche that excites you. 2. Tools you need. Free plus phone friendly. Now, let's talk about the tools you need to get started. And I'm talking about easy, free, or cheap tools you can use right from your phone or laptop. You don't need to drop thousands on a fancy setup. All you really need is a good editing app, and you're good to go. For our long-form videos, I highly recommend CapCut. It's free, it's super user-friendly, and it's perfect for beginners. It even has a ton of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Plus, it works really well even on older phones, which is a huge bonus if you're just starting out. Short-form videos, EO. If you want to go all out with effects and transitions, I'd say use Alight Motion. This app gives you so much control over your edits, and it's perfect for making those crazy, attention-grabbing videos. It's a little more advanced than CapCut, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be making some insane edits. And don't forget about YouTube Studio. It's free and essential for managing your channel, checking your analytics, editing your thumbnails, and replying to comments. If you're serious about growing your channel, YouTube Studio will become your best friend. 3. Where to get clips. Okay, now, you're probably wondering, where do I even get my clips? It's not always easy to find good quality footage, but I'm gonna save you some time. There are a couple of options. First, you can check out YouTube or TikTok and download clips from there using websites like Stars, Snaptic, or Yasmachi, 2Mate, Orsh. But that takes time, and sometimes the quality isn't great. But if you want to, you save a ton of time. And make sure you've got quality clips right at your fingertips. I'd recommend joining my Discord server. I upload HD football clips there, so you won't have to search for hours. You can get all the clips you need and focus on the editing. The link's in the description, so don't miss out. Basic editing workflow, step by step. All right, let's dive into editing. If you're new to this, don't worry, I got you. Here's a simple workflow that'll make your edits look clean and professional, even if you're just starting out. 1. Trim your clips. The first thing you want to do is get rid of all the extra stuff. Cut out any boring or unnecessary parts. You want your video to get straight to the action. 2. Transitions. Adding simple transitions like zoom-ins, fast cuts, or quick shakes can really make your video pop. It's all about keeping the energy up. Text. Adding text to your videos isn't required, but it's a nice touch. You can add captions or memes, or you can highlight key moments like Goal of the Year or Player of the Match. Text is great for storytelling. Sync with music. Especially for short-form videos, you want to sync your edits to the beat of the music. It makes everything feel more cohesive. Resize for platforms. Make sure you're exporting your videos in the right format. If it's for YouTube Shorts, go with 9:16. For regular YouTube videos, it's 16:9. Export in high quality. Always aim for 1080p or higher. Quality matters, and your viewers will notice. Oh, quick plug. If you're serious about growing your football channel and want to take things to the next level, I recommend this course I found for football content creators. It covers everything from editing to growing your audience, and I think it's going to help you out a lot. You get access to HD football clips, full tutorials for editing in CapCut and Premiere Pro, plus daily tips from pro creators. And if you're looking to make some extra cash, there's even a 40% commission affiliate program. That means you can earn money just by sharing it with others. 5. Thumbnails that get clicked. Now let's talk thumbnails. Super important for long-form videos. Just screenshot a crazy or emotional moment from your video. Like if you're doing Ronaldo versus Juventus 2018, use the exact frame of his bicycle kick. Viewers will click just to see if he scored it. Pop-up. Tip: don't overcomplicate. Clean screenshots win. 6. SEO tips. Get your videos found. Now, even if your video is, no one will find it without proper SEO. Title: make it searchable and click-worthy. Look at what other football channels are using. Tags: use rapidtags.io. Super simple tool to generate YouTube tags. Description: mention related search terms in the first 2 lines. Example: Cristiano Ronaldo versus Juventus, bicycle kick, Champions League 2018-7. Upload strategy: if your channel is new, pick one upload time and stick to it. YouTube loves consistency. When your channel grows, check YouTube Studio to see when your audience is active, and post then. 8. Copyright: how to avoid strikes. This part's important. Avoid copyright at all costs. Here's what works. Zoom into the clip slightly. Blur or hide the scoreboard and sponsor logos. For replays, keep them 3 to 4 seconds max. Speed them up or slow them down. Don't just repost. Always add your own edit or style. That's how you make it transformative. 9. Final advice. And don't expect to go viral after uploading for 2 days. Mr. Beast didn't blow up until after he uploaded over 100 videos. He didn't just hit it big overnight. He put in the work, kept improving, and stayed consistent. Same goes for you. Don't focus on chasing quick fame or instant success. It's all about the grind. With each video, you're learning new editing techniques, refining your style, and figuring out what works for your audience. And trust me, even if a video doesn't get millions of views, it's still a win because you're gaining experience. Most creators get frustrated when they don't see results right away, but success doesn't happen like that. Keep experimenting with new ideas, try different styles of edits, and pay attention to what's getting engagement. And most importantly, don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Everyone grows at their own pace, so focus on what you can control: your content, your creativity, and your consistency. At the end of the day, if you're passionate about it and stick with it, things will start to click. Keep creating, keep pushing, and trust the process.